I know that you're hungry to grow your YouTube channel, get monetized, increase your subscribers, and have YouTube push your video and show it to more people. Obviously, because these videos take time, a lot of effort to make, and you want to sort of feel like you're reaping the fruit of your labor. However, in a bid to grow our channels quick and fast, we do a lot of things that hurt us in the long run and then just make you sort of lose things that you have been working so hard to create over the years. I once watched a video here on YouTube where a lady spoke about how because she wanted to sort of earn a lot of money, she was already monetized, but she wanted to earn a whole lot of money. What she would do is that she would, get trending topics and then sort of create videos on that, or, just create videos about celebrities and all of that, deviating from her niche. And did it get her a lot of money? Yes, it did. But then she now said that she now noticed something started to happen. She used to get a certain amount of views on her videos. Let's say she used to get like 10,000 views, 5,000 views here and there. She then noticed that ever since she did that thing where she started, deviating from her niche and, posting things about celebrities, trending things, which got her a lot of subscribers, mind you, she now noticed that her videos now started to drop drastically. Her views started to drop drastically. Like she became in a jail of, let's say, about 500 views, 1000 views, as someone who used to get a sensible amount of views previously. So this is why today I want to share certain things that you should never do just because you want to grow your YouTube channel. The very first thing I want to share is never, ever, ever, ever do like for like, comment for comment, subscribe for subscribe. You see these YouTube people, they're very intelligent. Like they are not fools. So okay, so the question is you do subscribe for subscribe. The sets you get 1000 subscribers out of subscribe for subscribe. You now start posting videos. And you know what YouTube does is that when you post a video, the first people that they show it to are people that are subscribed to you. So if out of all your 1000 subscribers, not even one person views or watches your video because they don't have interest. They just subscribe to you because they want you to subscribe back to them. What makes you think that YouTube is going to start to recommend your videos to people outside of your subscribers? Because what makes YouTube push out your videos to more people is dependent on, I think they call it click rates, the people that they show your videos, how many people click. If a lot of people are clicking, they start to show more and more and more and more people. So you see this subscribe for subscribe, like for like, or comment for comment. Please, it's a no-no. I know that you want to grow fast, but please, it's a no-no. And I want to say this. I am someone who has done a lot of research on YouTube because like YouTube is something that for a very long time I've always wanted to start, but I never really started because I didn't really have the means. I didn't have like a good phone and whatnot. Now I sort of have a good phone. So I was just spending time, watching YouTube videos, how to grow on YouTube and all of that. And I've watched lots of videos. You see those videos that say, "Oh, I got 1,000 subscribers in 1 month or in 1 week. I got monetized in 1 week." Let me just tell you what is in those videos for free so that you don't stress yourself. Hardly do they tell you anything substantial that would actually grow your YouTube channel in the long run. Or hardly is it something that is really realistic. Let me give you the instances of videos I've watched, right? There's a lady who she has a video editor. She has people working with her. So that's why she sort of can push out videos, a lot of videos. Let's say I can't remember how many videos she was doing per week, whether it was 3 or 4 videos per week consistently or something like that. So that was how she got monetized. If you can do that, fine. You see me, you see me as I am here. I'm the one that will shoot this video myself. I'm the one that will edit this video by myself. I don't know how I'm going to start pushing out 4 videos every week consistently, or 5 or videos every day. I don't know how I'm going to do that one. I don't know. It's not realistic for me. The second one, I've watched a video like that. What the person said is that you should post take go on Instagram, look for trending videos, trending shots, and be posting them on your channel first. Don't post your any the content that you're interested in posting. Just be posting those trending videos. Then when you now get your 1,000 subscribers, you now start posting your long form content. So my question is, you get 1,000 subscribers out of posting trending videos. Of course, that's why they followed you, because they like those shots that you're posting. So when you now start posting your own real videos and YouTube is now showing them and they're not watching it, how do you think your channel is going to grow? Please. How? How do you think your channel is going to grow? How do you think? See, YouTube takes too much effort. Social media takes too much effort for you to be making silly mistakes like this. I know you want to grow fast, but it takes too much effort. I these videos, you sit down, you make them, you edit, you do this, you do that. It takes too much effort for you to be making silly mistakes, doing things that will not eventually reap a reward for you. Do you understand? So YouTube, social media is a long game. Currently a social media manager, and I can tell you this for free. I have people around me who say things like, oh, they want to make money from Twitter, they want to start making tweets, they want to make money from YouTube, from this, from that. And I ask them that, are you sure you know what you're saying? Because it's a long game. Oh. You're not going to start posting, even business owners, you're not going to start posting on YouTube today or on social media, posting your business and posting videos and expect that it will go viral in 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, even 4 months. It doesn't always happen like that. Even as someone who you are a social media guru, you feel like you know the ins and outs. Yeah, I know. But the truth is that it doesn't always happen like that, right? The second thing, one of the worst things that you can do to your channel, you see that restream. I don't know if you know what Restream is. It's like a streaming platform where you can sort of upload videos. Like now, if I want to go live, I can put Restream. I can upload a video, maybe a previously recorded video, and then put it like on a loop. So basically, what people that tell people to use Restream to grow their channel do is that, or advise you to do is that, okay, post. First of all, I have actually practiced this, so I can speak from first-hand experience. They'll say, okay, post things like the one I used to post was videos where people are playing with slime, where jellyfish are moving around, or rain videos of rain dropping on the window, because people said that those kind of videos people find it relaxing. So if someone stumbles on your live, and let's say because it's a relaxing video they fall asleep, then okay, your watch hours will be counting and you can get monetized quickly and stuff like that, which is all well and good. Mm. However, let's say, okay, those people subscribe to your channel and all of that because you are consistently posting relaxing videos. What happens next when your actual videos? What now happens? Okay, so let's say you now eventually get monetized, but still your long form videos, people are not watching it. And you don't even know whether people are not watching your videos because your videos are not structured well or whatnot. You are not correcting anything because, oh, you have gotten monetized, you think that that's the end of it. And okay, let's say you now get monetized, you now realize that you will just be making $1, $2 here, $3 here, $4 here. Does that make any sense? Like, why not get monetized? Because people that actually like your channel, found your channel, they keep on consistently watching your channel. And you know that, okay, you're making some sensible amount of money or something, or even giving value to people, because it's not always about money when it comes to YouTube. So you see that restreaming things that are unrelated to your niche, it doesn't make any sense. If you're going to use restream, you're going to stream pre-recorded videos, record videos that are related to your niche. Like for instance, this video now, I can choose to put it um on Restream so that I can find new subscribers. So that, okay, if people are scrolling through live and they stumble on my video and they like what I'm saying, okay, fine, they can now subscribe to me. But they are subscribing based on my actual content, not on some random thing. The third thing that could affect your channel is choosing a dish just based on the fact that they said that it's profitable. You don't have interest in the niche. You're just doing it. You don't have any skills related to that niche. You don't have a passion for that niche. You're just doing it because you want to gain money. That is a number one way to get frustrated. And I can say it because I've been there. I once had an affirmations channel where I would be sharing, affirmations, which I am interested in affirmations, but I don't think I'm interested in affirmations enough to build a channel based on that. I would put in so much effort, creating those videos, compiling natural background scenes, recording, doing voiceover, and I will be getting zero to none views. Nobody's watching my video. And yes, you might say, oh, just be consistent. Oh, eventually you will get views. I think that, yes, there's that, but I also think that there's a point in time where you have to be honest with yourself and just tell yourself that, you know what, this thing is not working out. This thing I'm doing is not working out. And I also watched a video where the man was like, where I also watched a video where a man was talking about, monetization and choosing niches and stuff like that. And he asked a question. He said that a lot of people, okay, they start a YouTube channel and their aim is to get monetized. And when they now get monetized, they now abandon the channel. And I just asked myself, okay, after I get monetized, what next? Do I see myself even wanting to even continue to create? Do I enjoy creating videos for this channel? And my answer was no. And so I just left that channel. Maybe I can rebrand it later on. Maybe, fuse in some other things I'm interested in and, you know, maybe. But right now I have suspended that channel and now I am focused on this channel and another channel that I also have. And why this channel works for me is because everything in this channel is related to what I'm currently doing. It is related to my current profession. I'm currently a graphic designer and my primary tool of designing is Canva. So if I want to create um, tutorials, Canva tutorials, all of that, it is still related to what I'm doing. I and designing is a skill that you have for life. It's never going to disappear. Digital products, that's the journey I'm on. I'm currently building digital products, working towards earning money from digital products and XYZ. My second channel, which is a personal channel, has to do with everything related to me. I am a Christian. I post my podcast there. And for me, my podcast, my primary goal is not monetization. My primary goal is impact. So, of course, it's something that's going to be a long, term kind of thing. Because for me, if even it's one person that can get impacted, that is good enough than to get, a crowd and then people are cheering you on and nobody's even impacted from those videos. So choose a niche that is based on your interest, based on your skills, something that you see yourself creating on long term and not just, for money or whatnot. Yes, those African folktale channels are nice and all that, but do you have an interest in it? Are you tech savvy? Are you, you know, those are things that you should ask yourself and you should choose a niche based on that. And also, I don't also believe that you also have to box yourself into one niche. If I have a personal channel, I'm sorry, I'm not going to box myself into a niche. There are people that I watch here on YouTube, they don't have any niche. I watch all their videos because I love the individual. There's a lady here who I used to watch her videos. She posts sit down videos like this where she talks about, money. She posts videos, travel vlogs. She posts different things. And I watch all of them because I just like her. It's not about niche, niche, and every time niche, 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 niche. You keep boxing yourself, not being able to express yourself because you're trying to put yourself into a niche. Man, the truth is that YouTube and content creation in general is a long game. I have people around me who they say, oh, they want to make money from this and that. They want to start uploading things on Twitter, on this, on that, and they start making money. And I always tell them that, are you sure? Are you sure you know what you're saying? Because this thing is a long game. You're not going to start posting videos or posting content in 1, 2, 3 months and you think that everything is just going to blow up. It's a long game. So yeah, I hope that you learned something from this video today. If you have any questions, any comments, or even anything, if you want to correct me, perhaps some of the things I've mentioned are not things that I didn't do it the right way, and you have gained results from the things that I sort of criticized, please share. Let's learn from you. Thank you so much for watching. Please watch any of the next videos that you can see on your screen, or stay tuned for my next video. Thank you. Bye.